Hello children, open your math textbook, page number 47. Okay, today we are going to solve this mental maths. See here children, tell me which number is this? How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means 1 lakh. And what about this? This is also 1 lakh. And what about this? This is also 1 lakh. And you know that children, if you subtract the same number, the difference will be 0. 1 lakh minus 1 lakh. This both difference is 0 plus 1 lakh. It means the answer is 1 lakh only. Isn't it? Because 1 lakh minus 1 lakh, 0. The same number we are subtracting. So plus 1 lakh. So it will be 1 lakh only. Next. So this is 30,000, 2,000. 1000. See children, 2000 minus 1000, you know that it will be 1000. Isn't it? It's easy. 2000 minus 1000. Answer is 1000 only. 2 minus 1. Both are of same digit, same number of digits. Isn't it? So 2 minus 1 is 1, remaining 3 zeros. That means 1000. 30,000 plus 1000. Now tell me 30 plus 1. See. 3 zeros are common children, 30 is there, 30 plus 1 is 31,000. Okay, now next third one. Which number is 20,000 more than 30,000? Whenever more than comes children, which operation you should do? Remember, always you should do addition. See, which number is 20,000 more than 30,000? That number you are finding. Which is more than 30,000? More means always addition. Isn't it? So this is your homework children. Which number is 7,000 less than 10,000? So less than the number which you are searching, that is less than 10,000. So when you subtract, then only you will get the answer less than the given number. Isn't it? Here subtraction. This is also homework children. Now exercise 2.3. Take the correct answer. First one is, which number is 56,201 more than 78,331? See children, more than comes. It means addition. Both number you should add. See, at one's place here we have 1 and here we have 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. It means at one's place it should be 2. The answer, the number, after adding this, the sum should have 2 at its one's place. See here, option A and option C has 2 at its one's place. Okay. Then go for tens place. 0 plus 3, 3 only. It means at tens place there should be 3. See here children, option A. It means option A is the correct answer, not option C and B. Okay. Now second one. Which number is 4200 or 4200 less than 6,128. Now less than children. It means which operation? Subtraction. So 6,128 is greater than 4,200. It means 4,200 should be subtracted from 6,128. Isn't it? Now 8 minus 0. 8 only. That means the difference should have 8 at its one's place. Now see, A and B, option A and B have 8 at its one's place. Then go for tens place. 2 minus 0. It should be at tens place there should be 2. Even both have 2 only. You can see here. Okay. Now, and one more thing children. Both are of 4 digit. And you are subtracting. Whenever you are subtracting, you will get the smaller number. Isn't it? The smaller number you will get which is less than both the subrahand as well as minuend. Isn't it? That means see 4 digit, but here option A has 5 digits. How come? We can't get more than 6,128 and 4,200. But see here, this is 10,328. Can it be possible children when you are doing subtraction? No. Then the answer is option B. Am I clear children? Option 3. Question 3. Which number should be added to 23,694 to get 45,132? Now see here children. which number should be added to this? Some number should be added to this so that we should get answer as this. Answer is given and one of the addend is given. Though then we are finding the second addend, and you know that how to find that, because whenever you are checking the sum, children, cross checking the sum whether it is correct or not, what you are doing? For the sum you are subtracting one of the addend, isn't it? That means from 45,132 you have to subtract 23,694. Am I clear? See, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. This is first addend and this is second addend, and this is the sum. To check that what you are doing, sum minus one of the addend, you will get the second add. It means the answer is correct. Now answer is given and one of the addend is given. You are finding the second addend. The same formula you will use, children. Okay. So from this sum I am subtracting one of the addend. So 2 minus 4, can we do, children? No. You will take the borrow. This will become 12. Now tell me, 12 minus 4 is 8. So at ones place there should be 8. Only this number has, children. See, it means option A is the correct answer. Fourth one and fifth one are homework, children. Now option B, arrange in columns and solve. You have to arrange these in columns and solve. First add, children, then go for subtraction. Okay. Or else do one thing. See, the numbers are, which are the numbers? 7,85,469, and here 62,735, and here 1,86,577. See, minus. So this is the number, this one is less than this number, isn't it? So from this only you can subtract this. So before that you can add both of them. Both are positive numbers here. You add first both of them. From this sum subtract this number. Are you getting, children? Now see here, children. First what you should do? You should add these two. I am going to write those two numbers first now. 7,85,469 plus 6,27,000. Oh, see what I am doing here? Is it the method to write? In which place 6 is there here? Tell me. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. But see where I am writing here. Is it correct method, children? This is wrong, isn't it? So first, whenever you write first addend, okay, then you write second addend, and I have told you from which place you have to start. You have to start from ones place. 5, 3, 7, 2, 6. Now 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 will be carried forward to the next place. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 will be carried forward to the next place. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 1 will be the carry forward to the next place. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 is carry forward to the next place. 7 plus 1 is 8. Now this is the sum, children. From this sum you have to subtract this number. Minus. So ones place I am starting, see here. 7, 7, 5, 6, 8, 1. 4 minus 7, can we do? No. Take borrow from the next place, but next place 0 is there. So take borrow from the next place. So 2 will become 1. This will become 10, and we need borrow for this also. No. This will become 9 and this will become 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Now 9 minus 7. How much? Tell me how much? 2. Now 1 minus 5 we cannot do. Take borrow from the next place. This will become 7. This will become 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. Now 7 minus 6 is 1. 4 minus 8. Can we do? No. Borrow from the next place. This will become 7 and this will become 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. So this is the answer. Got my point, children? Now second one. So what is the number? 3,56,109. Here this is 94,179. So from this first we have to subtract this number, children. So let us subtract first. 3,56,109. And whenever you are writing second number, minus 9 ones place, children. 7, 1, 4, 9. Now subtract. 9 minus 9 is 0. 0 minus 9 we cannot do. So take borrow from the next place. This will become 0 and this will become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 0 minus 1 again we cannot do. Take borrow from the next place. This will become 5. This will become 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 minus 9 can we do? No. Take borrow from the next place. This will become 2 and this will become 15. 15 minus 9 is how much, children? 6. 2 as it is. Now this is the difference. Now with this difference you have to add this number. So again I am writing this side separately. 2,61,930 plus, start from ones place, 1, 3, 9, 4, 0, 2. Now 1 plus 0 is 1, 3 plus 3 is 6, 9 plus 9 is 18, 1 will be carried forward the next place, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 0 is 6 only, 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is the answer which we want now. Okay, children, getting? So whichever first two, they have given subtraction symbol here, minus. First subtract. The answer which you will get, with that answer you add the third number. Okay. Next to our homework, children. First which sign is there, that operation you do. Okay. If addition sign is there, go for addition. If subtraction sign is there, go for subtraction. Okay, children. Next to our homework. Do it on your own.